Welcome to Fareclock, where we automate timekeeping and control attendance. Hi, I'm Shine, and in this tutorial, I'll be walking you through the process of setting up scheduling in Fareclock. With the initial setup complete, our next step is to configure the rounding rules. In this setup, click on the Rounding Rules tab above the settings. After that, click Add New Rounding Rule. After clicking it, a window will appear on the right side of the screen. Here, you need to enter the rounding rule name, adjust the rounding increment, and set the breakpoint of the rounding rule. There are two number settings that need to be specified for rounding rules. The first one is the rounding increment. This number is the unit which employee hours get rounded to. For example, you might want to round in 15-minute increments, such as 8 hours 14 minutes might get rounded to 8 hours 15 minutes. The last one is the breakpoint. This number is the number of minutes within the rounding increment at which to round up. For example, if the breakpoint is 8 minutes, then 8 hours 7 minutes get rounded down to 8 hours flat, and 8 hours 8 minutes get rounded up to 8 hours 15 minutes. That wraps up the setup for the rounding rules. The next step is to configure the shift class. You can find the link in the description box below or visit our help center at support@fareclock.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorial updates. Happy time tracking! Bye!